Oh no.
Got a key.
Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
Who the heck are you?
Someone.
Someone, what's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin, nice to meet you, Kevin. How old are you?
11.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, you got your dad. Okay. Sounds good. Got your support system.
All right, this is round 3 of 6. Good luck. Please start clocks.
Who would have guessed? Another underrated kid, 11-year-old. All right, let's see. What does he have here against me? D4, I start with the central pawn, E6, C4, knight of 6, knight C3, bishop B4, E3, short castle, Nimzowitsch defense, bishop D3. Okay, what's going on in the background? Ooh, what are these guys discussing? Okay, I need to focus. D5. Okay, 92. Very good. Pam, pam, pam. What is... Knight D7. Okay, he wants C5 in one move. Short castle, of course, obviously. He wants to control the center. No, he goes for A6. All right, let me... Huh? Wait a second. A3, yeah. Let's kick the bishop. Let us kick the bishop, okay? D takes C4. Okay. Bishop takes C4. I take with the bishop, of course. Bishop D6. Does he want to do the Greek gift? Bishop takes H2. Knight G4. No way. E4. I'm gonna stop it. What if... Wait, bishop shouldn't be... No, shouldn't be working. Because I have bishop F4, of course. E5, D5. Okay, now I got the center. Alright, B5. He's attacking by bishop. Wait a minute. What are you doing here, buddy? Bishop A2. I retreat. Of course. Retreat the bishop. Always retreat, as Mr. Feinstein would say. Alright, I gotta focus. I can't close to this kid in front of all these people watching on camera. Ooh, something. There is some action with the background. What are those two doing? Okay, Dina, focus. Don't look at the chat. Don't look at stream. Alright. I don't like the way he's like twisting his pawn. It's like reminds me of Boris Gelfand. Like. But yeah, this guy is definitely a future grandmaster. Look at his posture. He's so confident, but he is taking time, and that's okay. He doesn't like his position. Look at my bishop on it. Okay, rook b8. He's trying to push for b4, but b4 would give me c4 square, so I don't even know if that's good. All right, what are my options? I can develop my bishop, finish the development, of course, as I teach my students. Bishop e3, bishop g5. Do I need to go b4 myself? Actually, b4 myself sounds good. No, knight g3. Let's continue the attack. Ooh, knight f5. Oh my god, I'm so smart. The knight is going to f5, and then I'm gonna put the bishop on g5, and then I'm gonna sacrifice the knight on g6. Okay, good to dream, right? A boy can dream. Knight c5. He doesn't let me go to f5 because there is a bishop controlling, and because the e4 pawn, but now it's just b4. I'm kicking the knight. What is the knight gonna do? I'm just kicking the knight away. And then what? Buddy, what are you gonna do here? I really like my setup. Honestly, my pieces are good. I just need to develop the dark square bishop, but okay, knight d7, but now I can go knight f5. Yes, let's go. I love this move. Okay, knight to b6. Uh-oh. There's a c4 square. Uh-oh. Is it time to sacrifice knight g7? I don't think so, honestly. Maybe bishop g5. In worst case, yeah, exactly. If he takes on f5, it's okay. I'm gonna put the knight on e4. That's gonna be good. Knight to e4. Yeah, bishop f5, knight e4. Ooh, camera lost focus. Bishop takes. Pawn takes. I'm gonna go. But now it's the spin is annoying. Okay, h6. But bishop h4. He cannot go g5 because there is a. Okay, bishop e7. Alright. Knight e4. It's time, you know? It's about time. It's about time. No? What did I do? Bishop g3. Oh yeah, because the pin. I'm attacking e5. Now, honestly, I can go back bishop h4 and offer draw, but I don't want to draw. I want to improve. Exactly. Finish the development. Queen to e2. Now I'll put my other rook on d1 and on e1. Okay, now he goes with the queen to d7 attacking f5. That's slightly annoying. slightly annoying. How can I defend? Queen f3, I don't know. Queen d3 maybe? Bishop b1? Queen f3, yeah, of course, that's fine. No e4. He can't prepare e4. Honestly, I'm just gonna try to squeeze him. Rook e1, squeeze all black's pieces. Rook e1, rook e8 my opponent played, and now I should go rook e1, I think. Rook e1 is the best move by far. Why would I not do it? Yes, rook e1, exactly. And then I'm gonna put the knight on e4. I cannot wait the moment I'll put the knight on e4. Honestly, I don't have to, but look at this bishop on d6. It's so not great. Okay, rook e7. Alright, we'll now go rook to d1. Rook to d8. Okay, well, I go knight e4, buddy. Knight takes rook. Oh, queen takes, of course. Queen takes. Queen is the best blockader. Just kidding. The best blockader is the knight. Queen is the worst blockader. But in this position, it's fine. Okay, f6 protecting the center, of course. Now I go what, f3? Okay, f3 is good. Knight a4? Buddy, where are you going? Where are you going, sweetheart? How about just simple rook c1? Maybe rook c1. No? Rook c1. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Of course, rook c1. Here. Rook to a8. Do you want to go a5? Pawn break? I don't think so, honey. I'm gonna put the bishop on f2, and now my bishop is on the good diagonal. Like this. Very good, very solid. a5? You're seriously going there? But the thing is, your knight is on a4. As long as your knight is on a4, there is nothing really that you can do with that, right? Maybe we can do something like, I don't know, rook c6. Ooh, juicy. Maybe just prophylactical thinking bishop b3. Because, I don't know, imagine, like, yeah, you probably want to jump somewhere. So I would say bishop b3, because probably the threat that black has is a takes b4, a takes b4, and knight, like, c5 or something. So bishop b3. Yes, let's go, Dina. That's right. Bishop to b3. Very good. Very good. You're nice. Happy. A takes b4, a takes b4. Okay, what are you gonna do now? Oh, rook to e. Ah, rook e8. Ooh. Okay, rook c6. Okie dokie, rook to. Oh, queen e7. Now the other rook, doubling the rooks on the open file, of course. Rook to, okay, rook to c8. Interesting. Now what? What's next? Bishop c5, trading to attack the c7. He doesn't want to trade. Okay, queen e2 attacking b5. Oh my god, this is so strong. Incredible. Rook b8 protecting b5. Oh, rook c2. Yes, waiting move and also restricting the knight. Where's Peter doing over there? g4 can't he? Hey. g4, king h7, king g8, h4, king f7, king g2. Подтягиваем ножки, improving our position, adjusting, bringing all the pieces little by little, just like Karpov used to say. We don't have to hurry. He's gonna throw himself. He's gonna give us the point because he doesn't know what to do. Knight b6, but now it's time to take something. What can we take here? Wait a second. Is there a tactic? Wait a second. Bishop to d6. Pawn to d6 and queen to b5. Everything is pinned, buddy. What you gonna do now? Oh, queen b7. What a great choice. But how about I just take? Wait a second. I'm just winning the material. Rook takes, and queen takes b6. And I am an extra knight. Now I need to be careful not to watch for the perpetual. Remember those endgames, queen endgames? Uh-oh. I shouldn't have given that pawn, but he... Okay, queen b4 would have been annoying, but bishop c6. Okay, now careful check. And... Oh, I could have activated my queen. Uh-oh. What am I doing? Checks, queen f1. There was a queen f1 check. Would have been a perpetual. Okay, but now he lets me get the queen in. And then the bishop, and now it's gonna be a checkmate. Where is the checkmate, buddy? Queen e6 and queen e8, checkmate, yes. What's your rating? 2200? No. What's his rating? 2100. He's good. He's good with his shine. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to learn chess the right way.